With this remedy, your skin will not depend on cream because it contains moisturizing properties. The ingredients are very safe for all skin types. Will moisturize your skin, nourish, penetrate into your skin to tighten a saggy skin. Your skin will look ageless, getting rid of wrinkles and many more. The first thing you have to do is to get a mixing bowl. And here we have oat powder. Oats here is very exfoliating. We help to scrub out dead skin cells that makes your skin very dull, removing dead skin cells that makes you look unattractive. It also contains moisturizing properties that will help to moisturize, hydrate, and keeping your skin very supple. So this is very tightening as well. We help to get rid of wrinkles with consistent use. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon will be enough, okay? Next ingredient we have here is turmeric powder. I love turmeric so much because it's so nice for the skin. Turmeric will help to keep your skin glowing. Make sure you're looking so beautiful with no makeup. It gets rid of dark spots. It helps to brighten those dark spots of yours. This will help to brighten your skin if you want to brighten it. Thanks to the natural bleaching agent it contains that will help so much to fade away those dark areas, okay? This is very important for you to also remove freckles, age spots, and many more. So turmeric is what you need to keep your skin glowing beautifully. So I'm going to add just half teaspoon. Half teaspoon will do. If you want to lighten really well, about 2 to 3 shades, you have to add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. So the next one we have here is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very moisturizing. We help to protect your skin from drying. Coconut will also help to fight signs of aging, delay wrinkles and fine lines. Apply it on your skin, massage it, and this will help greatly. Coconut oil will also help to hydrate, make your skin to look supple. With consistent use, you will hardly have wrinkles. So I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon is enough, okay? Yeah, so just go ahead and mix thoroughly. So I added more than 1 tablespoon. This was a mistake, okay? So just measure out 1 tablespoon of oat powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, okay? And it's going to be wonderful. So our last ingredient is orange. So make use of any color of orange. Orange contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that will help to fight free radical damage that makes your skin age. This will also help to brighten your skin, get rid of unevenness. Like if your skin is looking so dull, uneven, this will help to clear your skin, making sure your skin is even, looking the same. Also, this will help to get rid of those wrinkles. Vitamin C is very nice for the skin, and you all need it to keep your skin looking flawless and glowing beautifully. So I'm going to squeeze in just a little. If you do not have orange juice, go ahead and make use of lemon juice, okay? So I will just squeeze in just a little, about 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon is enough. If you want to increase, go ahead and double your turmeric powder. Go ahead and double your oat powder, and also double your other coconut oil and orange juice, okay? So this is just perfect. Continue mixing it until it's looking very smooth, no lumps, so that when you apply it on your skin, it's going to work better. So with these treatments, your skin will not depend on cream. Like, you don't need to be applying cream all the time anymore, because the ingredients are very moisturizing, very exfoliating. It's going to exfoliate your skin and also keep it hydrated. Your skin will just be glowing all the time, with no makeup, with no cream sometimes. your skin will just be glowing and well moisturized. So ensure you clean off all makeup, wash off all makeup and this, then just mix it one more time. So just mix it one more time, okay? So I left it in the fridge. As you can see, it's now hard, very hard. So if you are going to be storing it in the fridge, anytime you want to use it, you just have to mix it, okay? During the time I prepared this, it was watery, somehow watery, so it's going to be very hard. Then apply it all over your skin. The coconut oil is very moisturizing and it's going to help those that have a very dry skin. So I don't have a dry skin, I have an oily skin. So I use this just once a week because I also make use of other masks most times. As you can see on my channel, you know, just check my videos, you will see that I have lots of facial masks, facial scrub and all that. So I make use of any one I want and it has been helping greatly. So this is just very nice. Go ahead and apply it anywhere you want to get rid of those wrinkles. Apply it anywhere you want to glow. Apply it on your neck to delay signs of aging. Apply it all over your body and rub it all through. So after applying it like this, so you have to scrub it. Yes, this is very exfoliating. Just scrub it like this. So this is just a great way to also exfoliate my skin. Aside showing you guys, it also helps to make sure I exfoliate my skin all the time. So if you are making use of a facial scrub or any mask that has like a scrub, don't use it every day, okay? Especially your face. So go ahead and apply it all over your skin, apply it on your neck, then after that you massage it the way I did. You can just use it on your lip as well, massage your lip. So after that you have to go and use a gentle cleanser to wash it off. Leave it on for 15 minutes or above, anyhow you want. If you have a very dry skin, you can leave it on for 20 minutes as long as you want. I have an oily skin, I'm just going to leave it on for 10-15 minutes and wash it off. And I'm all good. Okay, so I'll just wash it off. I'll be right back. So after washing it off, you can see the glow. You can see the glow on my skin, looking so beautiful. So this is just perfect. If you make use of this, you will notice instant results. You will notice that your skin will be glowing from first use, and you feel the softness, like very smooth, because it's very exfoliating. Okay, so with consistent use, you will notice that it won't have wrinkles. You'll be looking younger. People will be telling you how young you look. This is very active. Go ahead and try it and you see how effective it's going to be for you. Your skin will not depend on cream all the time. Like most times I don't make use of moisturizers. I just do it maybe like once a day, like only nights, because it's very good to moisturize your skin. But there are some facial masks, facial scrub that don't need you to apply cream, because the scrub is already moisturized, like the ingredients in it are well moisturized. So when I was mixing it, I added so much coconut oil by mistake. I was supposed to add only 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Use it 3 times weekly or 2 times weekly for effective results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.